Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and enjoying a good health. Okay, student. How was your Eid? It may be good. Okay, student. Let's discuss about our today's lecture, which is about countdown. Students, take out your countdown reader from your bed. Students, take out your countdown reader from your bed. Very good. Okay, students, open your countdown page number 5. Countdown reader page number 5. Have you done? Good. Okay, students, here is an activity about number 1. If we discuss about this number, then we will go previous lecture, which is this one. It is 1. We do activity about number 1. Count the objects in each row and trace the number in each row. आप लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्ट को काउंट करना है. How many objects are present in each box and write that number in each row. Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay, let's start counting with me. How many objects? 1. How many gifts are there? 1. Okay, if it is 1, then we will trace the number 1. Pick up your pencil. Hurry up. Pick up your pencil. Yes, have you done? Let's start tracing. Start tracing from here. Combine the dots. Combine the dots. It's done. Move towards the next tracing one. Join the dots. Very good. If you will go outside like that, it will be wrong. So erase it and again trace it. Okay, these are separate dots want to combine each other. So we will help these dots to combine with each other. It's done. Super. This is for you. I will give you 1 minute. Student, trace this letter. Students, trace this letter. Have you done? Very good. Super. Okay. Let's move on to the next box. What is it? Is it circle? Yes. But what is it? It is actually sun. How many sun is there? Count. Count with me. It's 1. It's 1. Okay. If it is 1, then we will trace the number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Trace. Like that. Like that. It's done, students. Okay. Move towards the next box. Look at this. What it is? It is a balloon. You like? Very well. You like very much. It is balloon. How many balloons? Count. Let's count it with me. 1, 1. Like that. Like that. Okay, students, move towards the next box. What it is? It is actually the apple. What is the color of apple? The color of apple is red. Okay, student, let's start counting. How many apples are there? It's only one. It's only one. So we will trace the letter 1. We will trace the number 1. Okay, students, let's move towards the next box, which is the last box. What it is? It is a tree. Wow, what is the color of tree? It's green. Okay, student, how many trees are there? Look at this. How many trees are there? It's just one. Let's start counting with me. It's just one. So we will trace the number 1, which is here. Pick up your pencil and trace the number 1. Like that. Okay, students. In previous lecture, we have learned about the rhyme of 1. In this lecture, we will also learn the rhyme of 1. What is the rhyme of 1? The rhyme of 1, remember that? What is the rhyme of 1? Have you any idea? Actually, we have previously learned it. We will revise it again. Let's start. Look for the starting point. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. Look for the starting point. Come down the line. Touch your spine. I hope, students, you will understand my words. We will meet in the next lecture. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.